Assalamualaikum. We are from group consists of Wani, Mi Fateh, Izzat and Dan. Today we are going to present how the coffee maker works and the block diagram of the coffee maker. So let's see the video that our group have made. This is the block diagram of the coffee maker. The input of the coffee maker is the desired concentration of the coffee. Then the actuator in this maker is the heating element, where the heating element will manipulate the changes in manipulated variable, which is the temperature of the water in the reservoir part. Then the control variable that want to be controlled is the concentration of the coffee itself. Next, the sensor used is the heat sensor. The output will be from the coffee maker that we want, which the actual concentration of the coffee.